face. It's such a cute little face. What are you doing back there? All right. Let's do some more food. Oh, hello, Dinkies. There you go. Hello. How's your nose? Huh? What? Hi. Let me see your nose, huh? Let me see it. It's so cute. So, thinking about restructuring the room a bit so that maybe you can see cats. Then I'm going to have to do a reset because I'm taking the laptop with me to do a stakeout for Jungle Moms tonight. So I need my laptop, but I will run this cam off the other computer. It's all going to work out, you'll see. Hopefully. So to get the top of the toilet. Hi, you're so cute. So I was thinking, hi. I should do actually. This in the laundry. Since there's a dead tapeworm on it segment. Gross. So I learned that the tapeworm segments themselves can't infect the cat, which is good. Which is good. I'm going to get a garbage bag. Laundry. No. Oh, I was just going to change that towel. What do you think? Hey, Stinky Butt. Here. I know, I heard you. I heard you. Here. Putting all the bedding in a garbage bag in case there are flea eggs or gross things on it. And then we'll put down new bedding in a second. Oh, you're so adorable. Little scamp. You're a little scamper. Look, so cute. Run to your mommy. Okay. So when the time gets closer, we'll move the nest in better view, but for now, get a little more room to romp around. Hey, Piggy Piggy. So cute. Let's put that over there. There you go. I'll do another can before I go. So if you've been following along with the Jungle Moms at all, we've been trying to catch any of the remaining cats in the area where the jungle kittens were born. And we have 2 that we've seen on the camera. That's adorable. What are you doing under there? Do you want a toy under there? And we're pretty sure one is pregnant. Which is unfortunate. Not ideal. We were hoping we would catch them before, but they're very trap shy. So they are really good at
like they know what the trap is, and they so far won't go inside. So we've at least established a fairly regular schedule. We know when they're coming by. It's of course in the middle of the night, so that makes it not as easy. But there are also some gigantic raccoons and a bunny and some birds. But so we're trying some stakeouts. Hey, come here. We're trying to do some stakeouts this week to see if we can figure out a way to get them into the traps and then catch them and then do whatever we can do. Hi, I'm just looking at your stuff because I saw you scratching, and I'm sure you have flea bites left over, but just want to make sure there's nothing else suspicious. Oh, no squirmsies. No, we're not going to do squirmsies right now. We're not going to do any squirming. Oh, see? You won't mind that. I don't feel anything, which is good. Hi. Oh, what a good girl. Oh, cute. It's so adorable. Yes, you are. She has a very nice coat. But I've seen her itch a little bit, which would not be surprising considering they did have fleas until a day ago. Anyway, so the challenge now is catching, seeing if we can get one in the trap, and then if we're able to accomplish that, which I hope we can, then we will test them for feline leukemia and do everything we can for them. Neuter, spay, return, vaccinate, all that. So, hi. Oh, you're so adorable. Look how long you are. Oh, goodness, so long. I don't know if she looks big on camera, but she's actually really teensy. Really little and tiny and adorable. Aren't you? Oh, what's that? Oh, she's so cute. So cute. Yeah. So anyway, so that's what I will be doing tonight. Trying to catch a jungle cat. Oh, I could probably take your bandage off now. I should have brought the laptop in so I could read chat. Oh, flop. That's a big flop. Oh, you're so cute. So I had Tango in my office on her own for a while today. She did just fine. She's very affectionate, loves attention. She's still a little bit nervous about, you know, sudden movements and noises, but not surprising. But very adorable. Look at that. Oh, so cute. So hopefully someone out there is interested in taking this little treasure home. If all goes as hoped, she should be available as early as next Wednesday. We definitely considered keeping them together if they had been super bonded. I think Calypso will be happier without Tango around, trying to play and snuggle all the time. And I think Tango will be happier in an environment where she has a family and maybe another cat to play with, but where she's able to get started getting her permanent life going. You know that I would definitely keep them together if I thought they were bonded, or if I thought it would be hard for either of them to adjust to life without each other. But I think it's a natural thing, especially by this age, that moms and their babies are separated. So I think Calypso is ready to move on, and she's going to have plenty to do. I don't think she'll necessarily appreciate having a giant baby trying to nurse along with the little babies. And I think Tango's so sweet and adorable. I think if I kept her another 2 months, it would hold her back. So I think it's best to get her into her family as quickly as possible and let Calypso focus on her new babies.
Look at your tail. Carry on, don't mind me. Perfect.
So that's the plan. They'll make sure she's not pregnant, Tango, but I'm hoping that she hadn't quite reached her sexual maturity yet with her. I think she's probably between 4 and 6 months old. So
Good. I'm trying to bury the food.
such a good hole digger. Oh, she's having a poo.
Let's all go investigate and see if we.
Hey, you know what?
We don't need to sniff Mom's butt as she's pooping. So I am seeing.
Oh, we have a dead tapeworm, everybody.
Hey, no, don't bury it. I'm gonna just take that. I'm just gonna handle that for you, okay? I'm just gonna get rid of that for you because it's gross. Thank you.
We have our first casualty of the deworming. That is excellent news.
It's so gross.
Oh. Holy. Oh man. Wow. There are like a billion of them. Holy cow. Thank God for dewormers, man. Wow. That's right, I'm investigating some poo here. It's so awesome to be able to see evidence that the dewormer is working. I mean, you guys probably think it's less awesome because it's gross to hear me exclaiming over the poo, but it's actually so great to see gigantic dead tapeworms. I'm super excited. We haven't tried that dewormer before. At least I haven't on my litters. So it's pretty cool that it's safe for pregnant moms and has worked within a couple of hours. Straight. It's just the grossest thing ever, though. These tapeworms. Disgusting. Alright, I'll stop with the poo talk. So, and I asked Dr. Henderson if there was a risk that either one would be reinfected by the, if, you know, there were tapeworm segments in the litter box, and she said no, because they have to ingest them through a host, like a flea, or they're eating like a mouse or a rabbit or something. So that's good. I still want to get them out of there though, because it's gross. Okay. Good job, Mama. Excited. Good job. Do you feel better yet? You probably feel not so great now, but let's go look at your chin too. Let me see your chin. That's just weird. You have a funny little chin, don't you? Let's take this off too. What a nice kitty you are. I know. I just can't find the end of it. You did so good having a bandage on your leg. She didn't mess with it at all. Tango's trying to get some love. Good deal. Alright. Hi. You're so cute. Both of you are so cute. Oh, yes. So cute. Oh, you're so cute. Okay. Okay. What was it? Oh, yeah. I'm going to switch these. I'm going to have to do a reset because I'm going to switch over to the other computer, but in probably a minute or two, so stand by.